Alright, the first video of Bohdi's kennel. Didn't bother with any of the prep work, but we've got the kennel is up. Got a roof up. We're getting a good test of it today because it's been raining like crazy. Getting muddy down here. So what we got here is 5x10 runner. Staying dry in here. We have a little makeshift gutter system. We were getting a little bit of leakage, and that seems to be working very nicely. This is going to be the opening to the doghouse, and we'll build a little box inside of there. But everything's pretty muddy right now, but I think we're in pretty good shape here. Step back and get another view.